Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can show the Spotify code of your song on Spotify. So on PC, I think you have to copy and paste it to Spotify codes, but here you can actually select a music. Select a song here, select the three dots, and you're going to scroll down until you find show Spotify code. And here people can scan this code and play it. I've seen people actually print this code and place them in public, and people can scan it, which I think is it's a really cute idea. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.